Hello guys, this is Unique DJ here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, please like, share and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. Today we'll be doing Nigerian buns. So here are the ingredients. We have flour, sugar, pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons of butter. So I'll be mixing everything together. I'll mix everything together to incorporate before adding milk. You have to mix it very well so that the butter will not be scattered inside. I've added my egg. That is the milk. So that is water. So I'll mix everything together. Sorry guys, the recipe, everything will be in the description box below. So I'm adding the water bit by bit because I don't want it to be over watery or thick. So this is the texture I'm looking for. So let's go into frying. My oil is already heated since I'm checking it if it's hot now. You can see the bubble down. That means our oil is hot. So let's start frying. The temperature should not be high, it should not be low, it should just be normal so that the buns will done inside. Can you see our buns? So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. See the buns, crunchy and yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for always being there for us. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you